Welcome to this session. After knowing introduction, significance, and basic principles of firm locations, now we shall discuss the factors affecting the location of a industrial unit. Decision with regard to the location of an industrial unit involves a careful study of many factors. Proper and right choice of location is instrumental in future success of the business. Various factors are divided into two categories. First one is primary factor or geographical factor, and secondary factors are non-geographical factor. First, we shall discuss the various factors come under the primary or geographical factors. First one is availability of raw materials. Raw material form major proportion of the finished product. Therefore, unrestricted and regular supply of raw material is very necessary for carrying out unrestricted production. Nearness to the source of raw material is very economical for an industrial unit. On account of this consideration, many industries have been set up near the source of supply of raw material. Raw materials can be divided into three. Number one, raw materials which are weight losing and cannot be preserved for a long time. Example, fruits for juice making. Second one is raw materials which are bulky, heavy and weight losing in nature like iron ore, etc. Third one is raw materials which are not heavy and can be preserved for a long period of time. Example, raw cotton. Second important factor is availability of labor. Labor cost is one of the main constituent of total cost of production. It influences the total cost of production. Labor implies both skilled and unskilled workers needed for different types of activities. The supply of unskilled labor does not create any serious problem because such labor is available everywhere. Skilled labor is available only at specific centers. Industries requiring highly skilled labor have to select such a site which ensure adequate and regular supply of required labor. Availability of skilled and efficient labor is mainly responsible for development of various industries in a particular region. Example, cotton textile industries of Maharashtra and Gujarat, mainly on account of availability of efficient labor. Third one is availability of power and fuel. Availability of cheap power and fuel supply source is another decisive factor in selecting the proper location of an industrial unit. In the past, coal was the main source of power supply for various types of heavy and large-scale industries like iron and steel, cement and aluminium, etc. The industrial unit which used to locate near the coal supplying centers. Fourth one is availability of transport and communication facilities. Adequate and quick facility of transport must be kept in mind for quick delivery of raw materials to the factory and finished product to the market. Kimball and Kimball have rightly pointed out that the ideal plant is one centrally located and directly served by water, rail, trucking and air facilities. In certain type of industries, transportation is the sole factor which are taken into consideration in deciding the location of an industrial unit. For example, cement industry is always situated near the source of limestone, which is carried usually with the help of trolley to the factory. Fifth one is nearest to the market. Market greatly affect the establishment of an industrial unit. In fact, dominant factor in locating an industrial unit in modern times. The production of goods in undertaken with the aim of selling them quickly, which is possible only on account of nearest to the market. Industries using pure raw material, which do not lose their weight when turned into finished product, may be situated away from the source of such raw materials. For example, wool is primarily produced in Australia, but woolen vessels are found throughout the world.